In mutual funds, there are broadly two types of schemes are available. One is direct scheme, the other one is a regular scheme. The difference between the two is in the direct scheme, there will not be any commission paid to the intermediary is involved. See, earlier we have only regular plan in the mutual funds, but now I think 5-6 years back they introduced this direct scheme for the investors. In the direct scheme, what happens? You have to buy the mutual fund schemes directly from the fund house, or you can buy from their platforms. For example, Carvey or CAMS. These are the two platforms which are selling the mutual funds. You can buy direct schemes only from them. If you buy mutual fund through your agent or financial advisor or through bank or any other agency, then mutual fund house will pay commission to these agents or intermediary. Typically, this commission will be around 0.5 to 0.75% in case of equity mutual funds, and whereas for debt funds it can be around 0.2 to 0.3%. So, do you want to really go for regular plan? It is up to you. And mutual funds will typically have expenses ratios like there will be advertisement, there will be a fund manager who is going to manage your funds, and also a rental of their office buildings. Altogether will be expenses. So in these expenses, let us say if they include whatever the commission they are paying for the intermediary or broker or agent, then that will become a regular scheme. Or if you do not wanted to invest in regular plan, but if you want to invest in the direct scheme, then there will not be the broker or agent or intermediary commission will be excluded. So if you invest in direct plan, you can get more returns. You may think that okay, in a equity fund 0.75% is not very big amount, but imagine that if you are investing 10,000 rupees per month in a systematic investment plan of a mutual funds, then it goes to around 850 rupees. If you compound 850 rupees for 20 years at a rate of 12%, it will be several lakhs. So that is power of compounding. So think about it. But let us say if you are very passive investor and you don't track your investments and you don't have time to look into that, and if you really think that it is better someone is looking after my investments, who will meet me regularly and who will advise me about my investments and who will suggest changes to my mutual fund portfolio, and if you think it is worth, then you can go for a regular plan. But my personal advice is you can invest into direct plans. That is really beneficial, because now in this internet age, you know what are the various funds available and what is the ratings for these funds and how to invest and how to redeem, and everything is happening online. It is worth thinking about direct plan.